Hi there, thanks for stopping by. If you're looking for a great side dish to go with your barbecue, picnic, or carry-in, this is the recipe you're going to want. Smoked mac and cheese. It's one of those recipes that adults and kiddos all like. So follow along. Okay, the ingredients that we need are about 1 pound of a macaroni of your choice. I have elbow macaroni, and then we'll cook that according to the directions, making it al dente. That means it has just a little bit of a chew yet because it will spend about an hour in the smoker. And then we have about 5 or 6 cups of cheese, and it can be the cheese of your choice. It's nice to have a variety. And so I have about 2.5 cups of cheddar, a sharp cheddar, and then about 2 cups of smoked gouda, and 1 cup or 8 ounces of cream cheese. And then for the roux, we need 1/2 cup of butter, and then we'll have 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of ground mustard, 2 cups of half and half. And then to top it off, to give it a little crunch on top, we have 1 cup of panko, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika or smoked paprika. You can use paprika if you want, you don't have to. And then 1/4 cup of butter. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, to our cast iron skillet, we added the butter, the 1/2 cup of butter, and melted that. And then I'm going to add the 4 tablespoons of flour, and then I'll whisk that in good. We'll let that cook for just a minute. Then add in our tablespoon of ground mustard. And then we'll slowly add in, well, let me turn the burner down. We'll slowly add in our half and half. Then we'll continue stirring until it's all smooth. While we're cooking this, we will be heating our smoker to 225. And I actually am cooking ribs today, so it's already at 225, so it's all ready for us. Okay, that's nice and smooth. So now we'll add the macaroni. It's a good idea to add a little oil to the macaroni after you cook it so that it will not be so clumpy. I started to add it and it was one big clump. Okay, now we'll stir that in. Okay, now we will start adding our cream cheese. And we'll mix that in. I'm going to add about another 1/2 cup of half and half because it's pretty thick here. And I still have to add the other cheese. You wouldn't have to. I like it more creamy. Okay, now we'll add the other cheeses. I need to do it a little bit at a time so I don't spill it all over the outside of the pan. It's better to shred the cheese yourself than to buy pre-shredded. You can buy pre-shredded, but it has a coating on it so it doesn't melt quite as nicely. I just have my burner on really low. At this point you can taste it and see if you need any extra seasoning as far as salt and pepper. Okay, we'll go ahead and put our panko on. I mixed the 1/4 cup of butter that was melted, 1 cup of panko, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. So we'll put that all over the top. This just makes it nice and crunchy and adds a lot more flavor. It doesn't take long for the noodles to absorb the smoke flavor, so you don't have to leave it in there an extremely long time, and everything just needs to melt together and just absorb some of that smoke, and then it's all ready. So you can do it as little as an hour and as long as 2 hours, but I wouldn't go much more than that. That's entirely up to you. So we'll go ahead and put it in. Our smoked mac and cheese is done. So now let's dig in. Yum. Smoky and yet creamy inside. Perfect side dish to go with any barbecue. So please comment below and let me know if you've tried smoked mac and cheese before. And check out the recipe and instructions down below. And please like and subscribe to the channel and come back again for more videos. Thanks for coming. See you soon.